Hi everyone, this is me, Pearwa. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a chocolate mug cake by microwave. It's easier and faster than baking in the oven. Now let's proceed to the ingredients. First, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And a pinch of salt. And you're just going to mix your ingredients. Now, add 3 tablespoons of milk. Along with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then mix them all together. Lastly, add some chocolate chips on top. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute at 700 watts. And there, we got ourselves a mug cake. It looks good. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and you can try this at home. It's very easy to make.
We are from EP at Chalermkwansatree. We want you to join